Presenting a pre-owned 1999 Lexus LX 470. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 208,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD changer, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, traction control, and power windows.